of small jars to number of medium jars is 3 to 4. Number of medium jars to number of large jars is 1 to 2. Work out the percentage of Cassium's jars that are empty, small jars.
Okay, so what do you think over here?
So we know that he has a total of 400 jars.
Yes.
3 out of 8 of them are empty.
Can you find
So
out the number of jars that are empty?
yeah, we can. So I think we do 3 over 8 times 400.
Well done. Which is
I don't know how to work it out.
3 over 8 times 400. You can just divide 400 by 8 first and then multiply it by 3.
Okay.
400 divided by 8, multiply by 3. You can do 3 times 400 and then divide by 8. Are you able to do it, Yusuf?
So I forgot how to work out. Did you say that there was a way to work out?
I said that first you need to find out how many empty jars are there, right?
Yeah.
So you said that we have to do 3 over 8 times 400, right?
Yeah.
So which means that you can do 3 times 400. Any idea what is 3 times 400?
1,200.
Yes, 1200. And then divided by 8. Can you do it?
Okay. Can you just give me a second to work out, please?
Take your time.
Okay, thanks.
Are you able to do it, Yusuf?
So I forgot how to work out. Did you say that there was a way to work out?
I said that first you need to find.
It's 150.
Well done. Yes, you are right, Yusuf. It is 150. Okay. Now there are 150 empty jars, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Among the empty jars, there are some small jars, medium jars, and large jars. Okay.
Yeah.
So the ratio of small to medium is 3 to 4.
Yeah.
The ratio of medium to large is 1:2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have to find, first we have to find a ratio of small to medium to large. Okay, we have to
Yeah.
combine both of the ratios. Okay,
Yeah.
We already know that small to medium is 3:4, right?
Yeah.
And then medium to large is 1:2. So can we write it into the terms of 4 ratio something? This one. If there is one medium jar, then there is 2 large jar, right?
Yeah.
Let's say there are 4 medium jars. Now can you tell me how many large jars will be there?
Is it 8?
8. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. Which means that when there are 4 jars, then can I write this as, when I have 4 jars, 4 medium jars, then I have 8 large jars, right?
Yeah.
So now what do you think? Can I combine the ratios?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
So when I combine all of those ratio, what do you think I'm gonna get?
3 to 4 to 8.
3 to the 4 to the 8. Any confusion over here?
No, it's all clear.
Okay, so there are total 150 empty jars, and among them you can see that 3 are small, 4 are medium, and 8 are large, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the percentage of jars that are small?
Okay, so what I think we do is we add up all the ratios together.
Well done.
So 8 plus 4 plus 3 will be 15.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we can say that there's 3 small jars, so we can do 3 over 15.
Well done. Go ahead.
And
3 over 15.
yeah, it's 1 over 5, which as a percentage is just 20%, I think.
20%. But that is among the empty jars, right?
Yeah.
If we just look at the empty jars. But let's say if we want to calculate it among all of the jars that are there, including the non-empty ones.
Yeah.
So what do you think now?
I think we look at our original fraction, which was 3 over 15.
3 over 15.
Yeah.
Wait a moment. What percentage of Qasim jars are empty small jars? So
sorry, I don't know how to work out. I don't know.
okay. So there are total 150 empty jars, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Let me erase all of this stuff.
Yeah.
I know that small, medium, and large, there are 3 to the ratio of 4 to the ratio of 8, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And there are total how many empty jars? 50.
Yeah.
150. Okay. Now, can you calculate how many among them, how many are small, how many are medium, and how many are large? I just need how many of them are small.
Okay, so
Yes.
you can do 3 to 4 to 8 equals 150. Like you write it out.
Like in a ratio?
No, so like you see how over there you wrote 3 to 4 to 8, and then next to the 8 you write equals 150, I think.
Like this, 3 plus. Like this?
Yeah, but instead of the addition sign, you have like the ratio sign.
No. Okay. Then what do you think? What should we do? What is going to be the next step after that?
And then
Okay, see here.
Yeah.
How many parts do I have? Let's add the parts. 3 plus 4 plus 8, right? How many
Yeah.
are there? 15, right?
15. Yeah.
Divide it by 150.
15 divided by 150 or 150 divided by
150
15.
divided by 15,
Okay.
which is
10.
10. Multiply it with all of the parts.
So like 10 times 3 times 4 times 8.
Yes. So that is going to be 30 ratio 40 ratio 80, isn't it?
How come?
If you multiply 10 with all of the ratios.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Now can you please add them? How many are? If you add them, what are you getting?
150.
So now we can say that among 150, how many of them are empty jars? 30, right?
Yeah.
Because if you add all of them, they are adding up to 150, right?
Yeah.
So there are 150 empty jars. Among them, 30 are small empty jars, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have to tell me how many percentage of jars are empty from 400. So there are total how many small empty jars
30.
out of?
400.
So you calculate it for the percentage?
Okay.
Does that make any sense?
Yeah, a bit.
Okay, I will explain it to you one more time.
Okay.
First, please find the 30 out of 400. What is going to be that in the percentage? We have 30 divided by 400 multiply by 100, right?
Yeah.
Which is
I'm not sure.
okay. See here, these zeros are going to cancel out, right?
Yeah.
We have 30 divided by 4,
Okay.
which is
Uh, it's like you can't do it. 30 divided by 4.
do you know the decimal division?
I don't think so.
Okay, can you simplify it? 30 divided by 4.
Oh yeah. 15 over 2.
15 over 2. Okay. Now I want the answer in the decimals. We have 15 over 2, right? Which means 15 divided by 2.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Okay, so can you do it?
Okay. It's 7.5.
It's 7.5.
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, now let's solve this question one more time. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Let me erase all of this stuff. Okay, first in the question they are asking that 3 out of 8 of the jars are empty, right?
Yeah.
Which makes that 150 jars out of 400 are empty. Okay, So there are 150 empty jars. Does that make any sense?
Sorry, can you just go over it again, please?
Okay. Can you see this thing? Statement 3
Yeah.
over 8 of the 400 jars are empty. 3 out of 8 of the 400 jars are empty, okay? So
Yeah.
what we did 3 out of 8 times 400. First I did 3 times 400, which is 1200, and then divided by 8. 1200 divided by 8 is equals to 150. So there are 150 empty jars, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now they are asking that the ratio of small to medium jar is 3 to the ratio of 4, and the ratio of medium to large is 1 to the ratio of 2, right?
Yeah.
We need a common number such so that we can combine these two ratios. Okay.
Okay.
So among them we can see that we have medium over here and also we have medium over here, right?
Yeah.
Here medium is 3 to the 4. Can we make this one as 4? What we are going to do with it? Times it by 4, right?
So I think your screen is frozen. I can't like see your mouse cursor.
Can you see it now?
Oh yeah, I can see it now. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm saying that see over here, small to the ratio of medium is 3 to the ratio of 4, right?
Yeah.
And medium to the ratio of large is 1 to the ratio of 2. You can see that among these two ratio we have medium as our common, right?
Yeah.
So here we have 3 to the ratio of 4. So can I turn this 1 into 4?
Yeah.
So what I have to do?
You have to times it by 4.
Times it by 4, which means I have to also times the other ratio, which is large, by
Yeah.
4. So what I will get? 4 ratio
8.
8. And now
Yeah.
I can combine these two ratio, right?
Yeah.
So after combining them, I will get this thing over here, right?
Yeah.
So among 150 empty jars, there are some there are some small jars, there are some medium jars, and there are some large jars, and they are all empty, okay? And their ratio is given in this form. Okay, now you have to calculate the parts. How do we calculate the parts? We add all of the ratios, right?
Yeah.
Please add them.
Okay, so we'll add them all up to get 15.
15. Now you will divide by how many total number of empty jars are there. Can you tell me how many numbers are of empty jars are there?
150.
Yes, so 150 divide by 15, which gives us 10, right?
Yeah.
You will times it by these ratios to get exact number of small jars, medium jars, and large jars.
Yeah.
So when I times 10 by all of them, I will get 30, 40, 80, right?
Yeah.
So which means that among 150 empty jars, there are 30 small jars, 40 medium jars, and then there are 80 large jars.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now the question is, work out the percentage of Qasim's jars that are empty small jars. Now out of his 400 jars, how many jars are empty? Small empty jars.
Small empty jars is 30.
30. So 30 divide by 400 multiply by 100, right? This is how we find out the percentage. These two zeros will cancel out, right?
Yeah.
We have, this is known as mental math, right?
Yeah.
So we have 30 divided by 4.
Oh, do you mean to do?
Yes. Did you understand why did I write 30 divided by 4?
I know that like we're trying to work out the percentage.
Yes.
But like you have to like cross out the zeros to like get closer to the answer.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay.
Whenever you see something like this, 200 divide by 100, okay,
Yeah.
what is going to be the answer?
2.
2, right? So the thing is, we can
Yeah.
just cancel out the zeros, right? And we are left with 2,
Yeah.
right? So this is known as
Yeah.
mental math, right? In this case, we have 30 multiplied by 100. What does that equals to? 30 multiplied by 100. It's 3000, right?
Yeah.
Divide by 400, isn't it?
Yeah.
You will cancel out these two zeros. You are left with 30 divided by 4.
Oh, okay.
For the,
And then,
we can't use calculator in this paper, right? So
yeah.
you have to be strong in the mental math. And there are some rules
Yeah.
I will tell you.
Okay.
So when you solve it, it turns out to be 15 over 2 when you simplify it, which is 7.5 as percentage. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now do you want to solve a question which is similar to that, this one?
Yeah. I
Okay.
think I'm kind of like lacking like confidence in like the percentage, fraction, decimal conversions.
Okay, so we can go over through them, no problem.
Okay.
Okay, so in the first paper we can't use the calculator, right? So we have to be like very strong in the mental math.
Yeah.
All of them are like easy. You can do it without like doing so much stuff on the paper. You can just calculate in your mind. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
just give me one moment.
Okay. Oh, where you said like the mental math has to be strong.
Yes.
Yeah, you get extra marks if like you do all the working out on the paper.
Okay, so which?
Like if in a question
Yes.
there's four is out of 4 marks,
Yes.
and you just write down the answer by itself with no working out or little working out,
Okay.
you will only get like 1 or 2 marks. But if you do like the full working out and the answer, you'll get full marks. So full marks. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I got you.
Okay.
Just give me a second.
Yeah. No worries. Take your time.
Let me find some similar questions to that.
Okay.
So you are talking about that you need to like do the workings to get the like good
Yeah.
marks. Okay.
Yeah.
So the thing you can do is like you can work out the equation and then calculate it in your mind, right?
Yeah.
It will also like will be count as your workings, and it will also save your time.
Yeah.
Just a sec, please.
Okay. No problem.
Okay, I have to share my other screen with you.
Okay, it's fine.
Are you able to see it?
Yeah, I can see now.
Okay, can you please read this question?
Okay. Mina has some small jars, some medium jars, and some large jars. She has a total of 360 jars. Of the 360 jars are empty. For the empty jars, the ratio of small jars to medium jars is 4 to 5. The ratio of medium jars to large jars is 1 to 3. Work out the percentage of Mina's jars that are empty small jars.
Okay, so what do you think?
So we know like that there's a total of 360 jars.
And 1 out of 4 them are empty.
Yeah.
So how many are empty in total?
Uh, so 1 over 4 of 360
Yes.
is empty.
Yes. So can you calculate what is 1 out of 4 of 360?
So, okay.
1 out of 4 of 360, right?
Oh, it's 90.
It's
It's
90.
like it's,
Well done.
because it just means you divide by 4, right? So
Yes.
you half it and then half it again.
Yes. You are right. Okay. So there are 90 empty jars. Among the empty jars, there are some small jars, medium jars, and large jars. Okay. And this is the ratio for those 90 empty jars. Okay.
Okay.
So small to medium is 4 and 5. Medium to
Yeah.
large is 1 and 3. The first thing is you have to combine these two ratios. What do you think we should do over here?
So we can see that in the small to medium, you have to like find the common one and it's medium. And we
Medium.
have 5 as the medium in the first ratio. So we need to like make sure that in the other ratio it's 5 as well. So we times that by 5. And we also do 3 times 5, which will be 15. So it will be 5 to 15.
So when we combine all of these ratio, we will get 4 to the 5
Yeah,
and then
15.
15, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just give me a moment, because if we do it in this way, I don't think we are going to get any answer,
Oh, okay.
because I took this question from the chat GPT and this question is not right. Let me change something over here. Just give me a moment
Yeah, no worries.
to make this question. Okay, let's say if we do for small to medium as 4 to 3 and then times it by 3, let's make it 7. Okay, now I think you can do it.
Okay.
So small to medium is 4 to the ratio of 3 and medium to large is 1 ratio 1.
Okay.
So how we are going to work this out?
So I think we do the same thing,
Well done.
except this time we times it by 3.
The other ratio, the second one, okay. So when we combine all of these ratio, what are we getting? Small to the ratio of medium to large. What are we getting?
So we'll get 4 to 3 to 3.
Well done. Okay. Now among those 90 empty jars, 4, we have this ratio, right? 4 to the ratio of 3 to the ratio of 3.
Yeah.
Can you calculate exact number of the jars that are small?
Yeah.
How are we going to calculate that?
So I think we like times each ratio by 10.
Why do you think we need
So
to
like,
times? But
because
is
like if we like times each one by 10, then we'll get like 40 and then 30 and then 30.
let's make it 100. But there are total 90 jars.
Oh, yeah.
So the thing is, first you combine all of these ratio. Okay.
Okay.
Add them. What are you getting?
10.
10. How many empty jars are there? 90, right?
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? You are going to divide 90 by 10, which gives you.
9.
Now you are going to multiply 9 with each of these ratios.
Oh, okay.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, please do it.
So like, do I do like 9 times 4 and then 9 times 3 and then 9 times 3? Or do I
Yes.
just like,
Yes, you're right.
okay.
So 9 times 4,
It's 36.
9 times 3 is,
27.
and 9 times 3 is again 27.
Yeah.
Now the thing,
And then
now,
you,
yes,
I think you add them all up to get 90.
yes, that's how we confirm it. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So the thing 9 is our scale factor over here, and how do we find the scale factor? So see, there are total 90 jars, empty jars, right? We add all of the
Yeah.
parts, I mean we add all of the ratios and divide it by 90 to get the scale factor, and then multiply the scale factor with each of the ratios. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I get some idea. Like it's much easier to understand now than before.
Okay, so now there are 36 empty small jars, right?
Yeah.
And how many there are total jars?
360.
Can you find the ratio? Oh, sorry, the percentage.
Okay. So.
Work out the percentage of Mina's jar that are empty small jars.
Okay. So we know that the small empty jars is 36, and total is. How much was the total?
360.
Okay. So what we can do is 360 divided by 36.
No, the other way.
Oh, 60.
Yes.
It's
You have to times
0.1, right?
Yes, it's 0.1, but you have to times it by 100, right? To find the percentage.
Oh, okay.
We are finding the percentage, right?
Yeah.
So when you times it by 100, you are not getting 0.1%. You 0.1.
So like, what we can do is, we can like cross out the 0 next to the 360.
Okay, 10 goes. Now what are we getting?
Now we have 36 divided by 36, which is just 1.
And then times it by
10.
So
to just get 10.
right?
Yeah.
So this is our answer, 10%.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, this is how we can work out for the percentages and how we can find out the total parts.
Okay.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay.
Can you do this one?
Okay. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 30%. The sale TV price of a TV is £280. Work out the normal price of the TV.
Okay, so the price is reduced by 30%, right?
Yeah.
The sale price is the new price, which I mean after reducing the price 30%, the new price is 280%, 280 pound, right?
Yeah.
So what was the original price of the TV after before reducing it, right?
Okay. So 280 is like the amount after it's been reduced.
Yes. After it means it reduced by 30%. Okay. You can say
Yeah.
that if they have given 30% discount, after the discount, the new amount is 280 pounds. You have to tell
Yeah.
that what was the original price of the TV or the normal price of the TV.
Okay.
So reducing 30% means that now it's the 70% of the original amount, right?
Yeah.
We can think it like 70% of original amount. Let's name it X.
Yeah.
So 70% of X is now what? 280, right?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah. Makes sense. Yeah.
Okay. So 70% of X is equals to 280. So
Yeah.
how can we write 70% in the form of fraction? We can write 7 over 10, right?
Yeah.
So 7 over 10 of X is equals to 280.
Yeah.
Can you solve this equation?
Okay.
So first 10 is dividing over here, right? Multiply it on the both side. It's an algebra problem, right?
Yeah.
So 10s and 10s get cancelled out over here. We are left with 7x is equals to
Uh. Uh. 280 times 10.
which is
2,800.
2800. Now what is going to be our next step? Since 7 is multiplying on the left hand side, right? We need to get rid of that.
Yeah.
We have done the problem similar to that.
So we just do 7x divided by 7.
Well done. And this on the both side, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what is 2800 divided by 7?
Can I just quickly work it out, please?
Yes.
It's 400.
It's 400 and that's your answer.
Yeah.
Can you explain me what we did over here in this question?
Okay, so like we know that the price after the reduction is 280 pounds.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah, and then we have to like link it with algebra, and so we do like x is what we're trying to find out. X is like the original price that we want to know.
Yes.
So we want to work out 70% of x.
Because we reduce it by 30%. So in other word that we just did 70% of x, right?
Yeah.
So 70% of x is 280, right?
Yeah.
And then you write 70% in the form of fraction, which is 7 over 10.
Yeah.
And then it's just
and then, yeah.
Go ahead.
And then it equals 280 times 10, and after that we just have 7x over 7 equals 2,800 over 7.
Okay.
And after that we find out that x is just equal to 400 pounds, so the
So
original is 400 pounds.
Yes, well done. Okay. Can you solve this one? This is an inequality. We did
Okay.
similar to this one, right?
Yeah.
So we have
Okay, so we have
x plus 11 is less than
11.
equals
Yeah.
is less than equals to 5 minus 1 over 2x, right?
Yeah.
Bring the x terms on one side and the other terms on the other side. Constant terms on the other side.
So we want to work out x, right?
Yes, we want to work out for x, but for the first step is to separate these things.
Okay, so
So can you see this thing over here?
yeah.
Bring it on the left hand side, and can you see 11 on here over here? We need to bring it on the
Yeah.
right hand side.
Right side.
Yes, so we do the opposite of the operations, right?
Okay, is that called rearranging?
uh,
Like
please,
rearranging equations?
we can say that.
Yeah.
Okay, so 11 is adding over here, right?
Yeah.
Which means we subtract 11 on the both side.
Oh, okay.
So
I
x,
thought we have to like swap them or something.
no, not like that. We need to do like we do in the algebra, right?
Yeah.
If we add something on the one side, we have to, like we add something on the both side, or subtract something on the both side, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, over here you can see I have subtracted 11 on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side. So here on the left hand side they cancels out, we are just left with x, right?
Yeah.
And on the right hand side we have 5 minus 11, which is
-6.
-6, and then we have minus 1 over 2x, right?
Yeah.
Now you can see that minus 1 over 2x is subtracting over here, right?
Yeah.
So we need to add it on the both sides.
Right, so we added by 6.
No, we add by 1 over 2x.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I am writing it like x plus 1 over 2x is less than equals to -6 minus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 2x.
Okay.
Do you remember this rule? How do...
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so here this and this cancels out, right?
Yeah.
We are just left with -6, right?
Yeah.
And can you add x plus 1 over 2x? So think it, okay, if we take x as common, it is just 1 plus 1 over 2x, right? 1 over 2.
Yeah.
So you can see that we just did the opposite of expanding. If you multiply it again inside the brackets, you will get the same thing over here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So can you do 1 plus 1 over 2?
It's just 1.5.
1.5 or 3 over 2, right?
Yeah.
So we have x times 3 over 2, which is less than equals to -6, right?
Yeah.
Can you solve for x over here? 3 over
Okay.
2x is less than equals to -6. What is going to be the next step?
Now we have to add 6 on both sides. No, sorry.
Can you see 3 over 2 with the x, right?
Yeah.
So multiply 2 on the both side to get rid of 3 first.
Oh, okay. So
We have did similar questions previously. Multiply it by 2 on the both hand side. The 2 and 2 will cancels out, right?
yeah.
We are left with 3x is less than equals to -12, right?
Yeah.
And then what should we do?
Now we have to simplify.
Okay, how we are gonna simplify it?
We do 3x divided by 3, which
Well
is
done.
x,
Well
and
done.
then minus 12 divided by 3, which is just minus 4.
So the answer is x is less than equals to minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is also like a bit confusing, this topic.
I know that because of this equality sign.
Yeah.
So yesterday I have told you to note down some of the topics, right?
Yeah.
Okay, among them, I think you also need to work on basic like multiplication and like solving the fractions, because in the paper one you are not allowed to use the calculator, so you have to do it on your own.
Yeah.
So I will send you a practice sheet to practice that. So we also need to work on this Venn diagram as well.
Oh, was that the last question?
Yes, yes, that was the last question.
Okay. So how do you think I did on the paper as a whole, like all together?
Okay, so like in the first 25 questions, like till yesterday, you were like doing absolutely good, but today I think there are some kind of topics that are like difficult for you, like the ratios one, and then this one is like sale and profit. This is also part of ratio, and then we have inequality. This is believe me, this is very simple. We will work it. Okay, and then yesterday you did amazing with all of the previous topics.
Thank you.
Okay, so now what can we do over here? Can you tell me the topics that I told you to note down yesterday?
Okay, yeah. Let me just look for it in my book, please.
Oh,
Can't find it in my book right now.
okay, so we have
Still trying to look for it.
probability, Venn diagram. I think we did ratio and graphs. We did graphs, area problems. Yes. Okay. Now let's do these type of question that you are like struggling with. Just give me a moment, please.
Oh yeah, I have the topics written down in my book. Yeah, I found it.
Okay, can you call them, please?
Okay. Probability, mean, median, range. So statistics.
Yes.
And then arithmetic sequence.
Okay.
And then area problems. And then Venn diagrams. And then graphs.
Graphs. Okay, you can also add ratio over there.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's do, just give me a moment.
Okay.
Where is probability over here?
Also, like my teacher at school, she like released a little topic list that could possibly come up in the exam.
Okay, can you send it to me as well?
Okay.
Okay, let's do probability questions.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's sent. It's been
Okay.
sent.
Let me see. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
There's a question in front of you.
Okay. Okay, should I do it?
Yes. Is this for all of the like papers? Paper 1, 2, and 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to do this one?
Sorry?
Are you able to do this question?
Okay, yeah, I'll try.
Give it a try.
I think the first one is likely, right?
Yes. Which word from the box best describe the likelihood of the following? The arrow landing on an even number. So there are more even numbers, right?
Yeah.
So it is not even. It is not. It is likely. Yes, you are right.
Okay.
So the arrow landing on 4.
This is unlikely.
Unlikely, but it can happen. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, the arrow landing on the number 2.
It's even.
It's even because there are 6 outcomes in total, and we have 3 of them as 2, right?
Yeah.
Well done. What about here?
There are 12 red roses, 5 yellow roses, and 3 white roses in a vase. Felix takes a rose at random from the vase. Write down the probability that he takes a white rose.
Okay. Total number of outcome divided by favorite. Favorite outcome divided by total numbers of outcome.
Okay. So the most likely one to happen is red roses, right?
Yes, but we're not supposed to find the like whether it is likely or not. We need a number, the exact probability. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
So what I was thinking was like we add all the roses up together
yes,
to get 20, and then we know that the like we do 3 over 20.
3 over 20. That's it.
Oh, so that's the final answer.
That's the final answer. 3 over 20.
Okay.
If they are asking about the percentage, then multiplied by 100. In other cases, it is the final answer. Why I'm not able to write it over here?
Oh, okay.
3 over 20.
Yeah.
Just give me a moment.
Okay.
There is some issue with my graphing tablet. I'm not able to write it.
Ah.
Let me try writing down in the hand. Okay. Now write down the probability. He takes a red or a white rose. Now what do you think?
Okay. So now we can just add the red roses and the white roses together to get 15.
And then divide
And
by
the total
is 20.
is 30. Oh, sorry. 20.
So it's 15 by
20.
which simplifies to
3 over 4.
3 over 4. Well done. Okay, whenever there is r, you need to add those two together. Okay.
Sorry?
Whenever you see or in the statement,
Yeah.
you need to add the outcomes of red plus outcomes of roses. The other one,
Okay.
white roses. Okay.
Yeah.
In this case.
Okay.
Okay. On a day in December, the probability of it snowing is 0.3%. What is the probability of not snowing? It always 1 minus.
Yeah. Okay, so is it 0.7?
Well done.
Okay.
Okay. Relative frequency. David and
Sorry, for the previous question, the one we just did,
this one.
yeah, would it also be acceptable if I wrote 70%? Because I never know which term to give it in. Do I give it in decimal, percentage, fraction? I don't know which one to give it.
It is acceptable to write 7/10.
Yeah.
But when they're asking about the percentage, when they add the word percentage in it, then you are going to write 70%. Okay.
Okay, so when it says probability, then we just
So yes.
Okay.
So probability is always between 0 to 1.
Yeah.
It can never be greater than
okay.
1. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Yeah, that makes sense.
David and Becky wants to estimate how many jelly beans are in the tub. A trial consists of taking a jelly bean at random, noting the color and replacing the jelly bean in the tub. Number of trials 20. Number of yellow jelly beans chosen 3. Number of trials 100. Number of yellow jelly beans chosen. They want to estimate how many. Okay. Can you find the relative frequency?
I don't know what relative frequency means.
Okay. So see here, they want to estimate how many yellow jelly beans are there, right?
Yeah.
So first they pick out 20 number of. First they did 20 trials. I mean they pick 20 jelly beans at random.
Yeah.
And then 3 out of them were yellow jelly beans. Okay.
Okay.
So write down the probability of for David is 3/20 relative frequency.
Yeah.
Not the probability, sorry. Okay. In the other case, Becky, she did 100 trials, and out of them she get 11 times she get the yellow jelly bean. So it's 11/100.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now among them, whose experiment gives more reliable results?
It's Becky because she has more trials, so it's more
Yes, it's always the one with the more trials. Okay.
yeah.
So the more trials will give us the better result. Okay. Let's remember this thing. Okay, a fair spinner has 4 sections.
Yeah. Do
This
you think we should take a 10-minute break? And then we
okay, I can do a break. See you after 10 minutes.